Hello and welcome to day 2 of our 7-day meditation journey. Today we will be practicing a body scan meditation. This practice will help you develop awareness of the body and its sensations, releasing any tension or discomfort that you might be holding on to. It is a wonderful way to unwind in the evening and prepare your mind and body for rest. So we encourage you to do this one during your nighttime routine. The goal today is to build awareness of your physical self, promote relaxation, and learn how to let go of tension that is stored in the body. So before we begin, I invite you to find a place where you can lie down, maybe even getting into bed, making sure you've already taken care of everything you need to before bed. If you do choose to lie down, rest your arms at your sides, palms facing up. Let your legs be slightly apart with your feet relaxed, and make sure you're comfortable. Now let's begin by closing our eyes and turn our attention inward. Taking a deep breath in and slowly exhaling. With that exhale, maybe feeling your body soften as you let go of the day's tension. Just as we practice that breath awareness in day 1 of this journey, let's bring that awareness to our breath. Focusing on the rise and the fall of the belly with every inhale and every exhale. Using your breath as a tool to bring yourself into this moment. Because of course there might have been things during your day that are still trying to take up space for you. But we are preparing for relaxation, we are preparing for rest. And so those thoughts can just be parked. Those thoughts can wait for tomorrow. Now that you're breathing slowly, let's bring our awareness to our feet. Noticing any sensations here. Are your feet warm? Are they cold? Are they relaxed? Slowly dragging this awareness up your legs, through every piece of muscle, every joint, every tendon, allowing every part of your leg, from your calf to your knee to your thigh, to completely let go of any tightness and feel them grow heavy as they relax. And next, scanning your hips, your stomach and lower back. Noticing any areas of tightness or discomfort. And breathing deeply into these areas, and on the exhale, imagining that tension or any pain melting away. Continuing up the spine, through each and every vertebrae, across the shoulders and across the chest. Allowing everything to soften and allowing your awareness to just shift gently as we move through each part of the body. Moving down the arms, the elbows, the wrists, the hands to the tips of the fingers, letting everything soften. Allowing your hands to completely open and relax where they lay. And moving back up to the neck and the jaw, unclenching, letting go, softening your facial muscles, allowing your eyes to be gently closed and not scrunched tightly. The forehead is smooth, and the head is heavy on the support beneath you. And now observing your entire body from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. All you need to focus on is your breathing and the sensation of your body as it lays here, bringing your focus back if you become distracted, using your breath as your anchor into this moment. And although we aren't trying to fall asleep, the purpose of this meditation is to relax deeply. And so if you feel yourself drifting, seeing if you can begin to draw yourself back, but also allowing it to happen if you can feel yourself falling asleep. And as this practice comes to a close, taking a moment to observe the state of your body, noticing if you feel more relaxed, more at ease. And if you're very comfortable and want to fall asleep, turn the light out feel free to do so. But if you wish to journal after today's practice, just gently beginning to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Slowly opening your eyes. What areas of your body held the most tension today? How did it feel to consciously release that tension? A body scan meditation is very effective to use at night when we're finding a way to let go of stress before sleep. It builds awareness of the physical body, which can help us feel more grounded and in tune with ourselves. And it promotes relaxation, which can lead to better sleep quality. Thank you so much for joining me for day 2 of our 7-day meditation journey. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for day 3.